Alright, so we got 20 minutes on this camera to record, but we're gonna take James to the parking lot, let him drive for the second time.
I'm gonna take that one because I don't trust myself turning next to your truck.
All you gotta do is go straight forward. Hold on. Don't press hard on the brakes.
Press up.
Okay, when you pass up this pole, make sure you put your signal light on to go left.
Which one?
Left.
Which thing?
Press it up.
Let me slow down so I don't mess up.
Press up. Yes, that. Okay, now go. Make sure you do a complete stop. Your thing should be at 0. That's a complete stop at 0. Is your speedometer at 0? Yep, now you look both ways. There's a car coming with no lights on. Check again both ways. Alright. Try to turn in your lane. When you get to this pole, turn your signal light on to go left. Now, turn into this driveway. Whichever way you want to go. Now, what I'm going to do is get out the truck and let you drive in the circle by yourself. Every time you get to the corner, you have to do a complete stop and put your signal light on.
Oh, you want me to get to the corner?
No, I'm not now. You let me out. Every time you get to the corner right there, you stop, put your signal light on, and then turn. And then the other corner back there, then turn. He's so close to me. I ain't say stop right there. We're going 2 miles an hour. You can keep going. Huh? Okay. Are you ready to park? Are you ready to park? I should have been more clear. Are you ready to learn how to park? I'm gonna let him drive around. Get goddamn mosquitoes. It is cold as hell outside. Like, how do people do it? Woo! And I gotta pee. I told him to pick up some speed. Let's see if he do it. What you want to do? You want to learn how to park the truck? He's just gonna do it on his own. It's easy because they got the camera, that's why. Damn it, mosquitoes. Huh? Are you in the lines? Let's see. You on the line on this side. I guess so, yeah. You're a little tight there, but you're on the lines. We're gonna take another route to the house. You press on the brakes. You always pull down on when you're going to go. Pull up. You're ready to stop or back up. Either way you want to go. Either way you want to go. There, pee. Phew! You gotta learn how to parallel park. That's the last part.
Daddy's not making how to do it almost.
Well, this should remember. I need to see if she remember because I'm about to pay for them classes. Okay, do a complete stop. The thing is on 0. Look both ways. It's a car coming. Probably want to wait. It's a car coming.
Look, you're too far back. I won't be able to make the turn.
You will. You got lots of space. Alright, let's go. We got lots of ground space right here. You gotta do a tight turn sometimes. But you'll learn that later. Make sure you stay all the way on this side because when cars come down this road, they just turn. So when you're going up here, slow down. Slow down. Put your light on because people just turn right here. That's what I'm saying. You go all the way up till you can see both sides of the road. One day you'll be able to knock out the start. Is a car coming? No? Oh, yeah. It might be a while. This car's coming by. You too far out. Scoot back. Look. No. What the hell is he doing? That's not how you. Okay. I should have got that on camera. Oh, you too far out. Go. Turn. You're too far out. Turn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, you was too far out.
You said pull up until I can see both of the cars.
I understand. You gotta get used to your surroundings. Yes, it is. It's nice and toasty, actually. Doing great, James. Doing great. Don't hit no mailboxes.
That's what I'm scared about. I remember when y'all used to drive, I was so scared y'all hitting the mailbox.
Jason, you can't drive.
No, because the mailboxes looked like they were broken. They looked like they were leaning too close. Like you have to be mostly on another lane just to not hit it.
Alrighty. Just turn slowly. Put your signal light on.
Which one?
Up.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, going up. Left. You don't gotta do a complete stop. You don't do a complete stop. You just go. Somebody behind you. They see those emergency lights on. Let's go. You only do a complete stop at a stop sign, or if you see somebody that's not gonna stop, you think they're not gonna stop, then you stop so you won't get into an accident. Now here's where you do a complete stop. You gotta start slowing down before you get here, or you're gonna jerk. All the way to the 0, then you turn. Make sure you turn in your lane, because there's a car coming. Don't hit the curb. Okay. Don't hit that curb.
I didn't know how hard it was turning.
Yeah, you gotta learn the street, that's all. It's a learning experience. You gotta learn the street. Don't get all the way over there. Jesus, James. I understand you're scared. That's fine. Get back over. You gotta slowly get over. Just jerking his way over there. Back in, and I did not park properly. Good luck with that. Somebody behind you?
Yeah.
You have to always make sure before you do this turn. Because you're backing up. Alright, now you put me in the back. Really, James? You pulled all the way to the next house. Alright.
You said
I say nothing. Put it in reverse. I was being sarcastic. Make sure you look both ways when you get if you're almost to the street. Keep going slowly. Okay, now let that back window down. There's a car coming. Stay right here. Can't see with the windows so tight, tinted. There's a car coming. He's coming slowly, might pull over. No.
Bring both of the windows down just in case.
Okay. Where you on? Don't move.
What?
Yeah. Is he gonna go? Please come on, like get in the way. Okay, wait till this car comes. Alright. Go.
Oh, I thought the car wasn't moving. Turn that way. Why'd you park like that?
Hey.
Now I gotta make sure I get this perfectly.
I'm looking gonna hit my truck.
Oh, your truck is that way.
Turn that wheel the other way. Yeah. Okay, straighten up a little. Go slow. Oh, baby right there. She's so close. Like who parked right there? Once you pass on my babe, you can go back.
Yeah. A little bit more. Right there.
My whole chest hurt inside. So how did you like it?
I didn't like it. It was very scared. I'm pretty sure when you wasn't looking, I hit the curb over there by the parking area.
That's on camera, whatever you did. The whole world will see. Turn the lights out. Alright, you guys, that was the end of that. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. What are you doing? Oh, the windows. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. I gotta do other stuff. But I wasn't too scared this time. I won't need a drink. For this reason alone. I mean, I'm gonna get a drink.
The only time I messed up was that curve, the school curve, the curve, and when all those cars were in there. The intersection was like kind of messed up.